Hi, my name is Richard Muse.
My name's Dwayne Squires.
And today I'm going to show you how to invest in Northeast property. The first tip I've got is that, you need to make contacts in the Northeast. That's the number one priority that, you need to find, because getting contacts will point you in the right direction for the right properties. Another good source of information is auctioneers. Now, they have their ears to the ground all the time. They're dealing with properties day in, day out, and they can advise you on areas and what's selling and what is not selling at the moment. They're the main two.
So if we add to that, so number 3 is actually using a property manager or letting agent. So letting agents, property managers are working with investors and landlords on a regular basis. And on a fraction or small instances, they might be aware of when a landlord is looking to potentially get out the market. They're looking to sell one or more of their properties. So that could be a good opportunity for you to potentially pick up a deal where actually you're buying a property that could even be tenanted, so you're making money from day one too. And number 4 is using an estate agent. Now, you can use online estate agents, or you could use a traditional estate agent. Again, they're in contact with many different sellers, and that could be a seller like a homeowner or a landlord that's looking to sell their property. But the key thing here is to be specific over what property you're looking for. So estate agents will get many inquiries from various different individuals. Now, if you come in as an investor that's being specific as to what you're looking for, so are you looking for a 2-bed flat in a certain part of town, then that estate agent, or when they come across that property, are more likely to refer it to you. So you can go about getting in contact with the estate agent, or you can use Zoopla or Rightmove, put in your criteria, and when a property meets that criteria, they will send you an alert to your phone or via email.
The 5th one is property sources. Now, this one is one of my favourite, obviously, because I'm a property sourcer myself. That's what I do day in, day out. Now, there's quite a few of these in the Northeast, but the thing about property sources is they should have a good knowledge of the area, and that should give them an advantage. So if you can tap into that knowledge and that wealth, they should be able to advise you which areas to go to, which areas not to go to, which areas offer the best returns for capital growth or for yield. So they should have an abundance of information for you and able to answer all your questions that you might have about investing in property.
That's brilliant. And just to add to that, so with property sources, if you want to know more about property sources and you've got an array of questions, we've done a playlist of videos recently that goes into an astronomical amount of detail. So if you want to see that playlist of videos, please click the link or the button that will appear on the screen above. So just to recap, so ways in which you can find buy-to-let properties to invest in Northeast is getting reliable contacts, auctioneers, property managers, estate agents, and property sources. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you found it useful, please can you click the like button, as well as follow our YouTube channel by subscribing to it. That will then mean that when we release new videos in the future, you'll be notified of those.
Once you've liked and subscribed, why not watch other of our videos by clicking the thumbnail on the right-hand side? This will take you to more helpful videos for you to watch.